Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how does the Telegram apps work. Now let's get started. First, open your Telegram apps. At the Telegram, you can chat to your friend, or in here you can save a message, or you can at the save message you can chat to yourself like this. Okay, and after this, in here at the Telegram, uh you can make a new secret chat, you can make a group, you can make a new channel. And after this, at the Telegram, in here you can find the people you're nearby, and you can add to your contacts, you can invite your friends and anything else. So that how to doesn't the Telegram apps work. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.